The Cougar FV270 is a standout in the world of premium PC cases, offering a unique design that blends functionality with striking aesthetics. With its distinctive wraparound glass panel, the FV270 immediately captures attention. This two-piece glass front provides an unobstructed view of your components, making it an ideal choice for those looking to showcase their builds. The case's heavy glass does add some weight, which might be a downside if portability is a concern, but it effectively reduces noise, creating a quieter environment for your system. Designed to support both ATX and extended ATX motherboards, the FV270 offers ample space for high-end components. The case's internal layout is roomy enough to accommodate 360mm and 280mm radiators, making it a solid choice for water cooling enthusiasts. The inclusion of a handy graphics card brace is a thoughtful touch, though it's worth noting that users installing an E-ATX motherboard will need to forego this feature due to space constraints. One of the more innovative aspects of the FV270 is its airflow design. The tilted air intake on the side panel reduces airflow turbulence, promoting better overall cooling. The case is equipped with a bottom vent and a steel side panel with dust filters, which is a welcome feature for maintaining cleanliness and performance. Access to these filters is easy, allowing for hassle-free maintenance. However, the case includes just one fan out of the box, and there's no built-in controller or hub, which could be a letdown for users looking to maximize their airflow out of the gate. In terms of functionality, the FV270 offers plenty of ports, including 2 USB Type-A, 1 USB Type-C, and an audio jack, all conveniently located on the top panel. The PSU compartment is well designed with a removable dust filter and an option for a vertical GPU mount, adding flexibility for different setups. The internal cable management system is neatly laid out, with enough space for even the most complex configurations. However, users installing an E-ATX motherboard will need to remove the cable shroud, which might complicate things a bit. While the case is generally well-built and spacious, its weight and the limitation when using larger motherboards may be drawbacks for some users. The FV270's performance and cooling capabilities are solid, but it's clear that Cougar has designed this case with aesthetics and high visibility in mind. If you're looking for a striking case to showcase your build and don't mind a few quirks, the Cougar FV270 is certainly worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.